Our TERRACRETE sculpting and modeling concrete mix is a premium Portland-based cement product designed for versatility and superior performance. This innovative mix offers many desirable properties, making it ideal for intricate sculpting, detailed modeling, and a variety of artistic applications. These 1-pound kits are packaged in a water-resistant paper cup, allowing the material to be conveniently mixed directly in its container. Please ensure that the desiccant pouch is removed from the container prior to mixing. To assist in achieving the optimal mix, we have provided a 3-ounce measuring cup. For best results, it is recommended to start with less water than the recommended amount and gradually add the remainder as needed. More water can always be added but cannot be removed. It is always important to initially add the dry mix to the water and not the other way around. This prevents dry pockets of unmixed material at the bottom of the mixing container. Slowly add the dry mix to the water, stirring continuously. Be sure to thoroughly scrape the sides and bottom of the container to incorporate all the material evenly. For larger projects, a turbine mixer can be employed. In higher temperatures, the work time of the concrete may be reduced as the heat accelerates the curing process. To manage this, it is advisable to mix smaller batches that can be applied quickly. Ice may also be added to the water to extend the work time. Just be sure the ice melts prior to mixing. Knead the concrete for at least 1 minute once mixed. Allow the mix to rest for 5 minutes. This allows the water to thoroughly hydrate the cement. Knead the mix again for 1 minute. This is essential for activating the chemical bonding agents, ensuring better adhesion and water resistance in the final product. The final mix should have a clay-like consistency with no significant crumbling or cracking, but should not be overly sticky either. When dispensing and mixing TERRACRETE, it is necessary to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE, with a focus on respiratory and eye protection. Like all concrete, TERRACRETE includes Portland cement, which is a respiratory irritant, and airborne particles can cause permanent lung or eye damage. TERRACRETE can be applied to a variety of substrates. Press the concrete firmly onto the surface, ensuring a minimum thickness of 1/2 inch. Use your palm to smooth it evenly until uniformly thick. Be sure to press hard enough to force the material into the reinforcement. When applying directly to cured concrete, it is important to dampen the surface first. TERRACRETE is formulated with a built-in adhesive, so no additional adhesion is required. TERRACRETE can be applied directly to XPS or EPS foam. For vertical applications, we recommend using mechanical support. TERRACRETE can now be stamped, carved, or textured to bring intricate designs and detailed finishes to life. When you can touch the surface with no residue lifting off on your finger, it's ready to stamp. TERRACRETE has a total work time of about 45 minutes. We found the ideal stamping time is 10 to 20 minutes after application. This time frame allows the mixture to set slightly, ensuring that your design or pattern holds well and eliminates the need for a release agent. Here we are using a combination of granite, reef, and cavern rock texture stamps to add texture to this aquarium backdrop that we started in our previous structures video. If TERRACRETE is applied in a hot or windy area, covering the surface will prevent premature curing or discoloration. This is not required in most applications. Avoid disturbing the concrete for at least 7 days to allow it to set properly and achieve its intended properties. It is essential to allow full cure time of at least 28 days before introducing TERRACRETE to water containing live animals. This precaution ensures the material is stable and safe for aquatic life. As mentioned before, the toxicity of Portland cement to fish, when added to water, is attributed primarily due to the high alkaline pH produced upon hydrolysis. Always check the pH of your water after adding TERRACRETE and prior to adding live animals. Using acetone can be a fun and easy way to add intricate tunnels, hides, and other hard-to-build features. Once the concrete is cured, simply pour acetone over the EPS foam and watch it instantly dissolve. Be sure to wear gloves and remember that acetone is highly flammable. Always thoroughly wash off any acetone and EPS residue prior to exposing to live animals.